In this ASL social story, we will be learning the steps to washing your hair. Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy and our videos on social stories and their benefits for children, including those with autism and other disabilities. Social stories are short narratives that describe a specific social situation or concept in a simple and structured way. Social stories use clear language and visual supports and sometimes even sign language to help children understand social cues, expectations, and appropriate behaviors. Social stories help children to understand familiar or challenging situations by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable parts. They can be customized to include sign language or other communication supports, making them accessible for children with different communication needs. Social stories provide opportunities for children to learn and practice social skills in a safe and supportive environment. By exploring different perspectives and emotions in social stories, children can develop empathy and understanding for others as well. This video will be divided into two parts. The first part is going to be me going through all the signs and steps. The second part is going to be explaining the signs and steps. Gather your bottle of shampoo. Gather the bottle of conditioner and a towel. Adjust the water temperature. Wet your hair. Squeeze shampoo into your hand, lather, and then wash your hair. Clean your hair with water and rinse. Squeeze the conditioner to your hands and then apply it to your hair. Clean your hair with water and rinse it all out. Use a towel to dry your hair. All right, so in the first step is to gather the bottle of shampoo and then the bottle of conditioner and a towel. Now, you might want to modify some of these signs based on your needs. So for shampoo, it's like you're just washing your hair, but the sign for bottle is going to be your non-dominant hand in a closed 5, dominant hand in a small C shape, and then move up one time. Bottle of shampoo, bottle of, and you have to spell conditioner, C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N-E-R, conditioner. And then towel, you're going to have your hands in a fist and you're going to, you're drying your back with a towel, okay? Towel. Now, shampoo and conditioner, you can use this sign, like washing your hair. So in real life, you will have the bottles, and so you could always give them the bottle and show them, okay, wash your hair now with this one. And then maybe the second bottle, here you go, do your second one with this. If you like to brush hair during the conditioner stage, you can also just do the sign for brushing hair and work that into your routine. It's all about whatever works for you. So with brushing hair, you're just going to have your hand like you're holding a brush and just pretend like you're brushing your hair. So you can work all of those steps in and work them the best for you and work in the brushing hair if that's something that you do during conditioning. So adjusting the water temperature. Now you don't have to sign all of those things. You can just have your hand in a claw shape like you're turning a dial, okay? So like you're adjusting the water temperature, okay? So turning the dial, and then water with a W, your index finger touches your chin, water. Now for temperature, you're going to have your index fingers, your dominant hand is back here, and then go up and down like it's fluctuating in hot, cold temperature. Adjust the water temperature until it's right for you. Okay. Now you can use all of the signs or just do water turn, like meaning turn the water on. So hair, like wet your hair. Hair, you just grab a little bit and just shake it back and forth. Hair, wet. So your hands are in open, like open 5s, and then as you move down, you close them together into flat O's. Wet, just a couple of times. Hair, wet. Squeeze a small amount of shampoo into your hands and then maybe lather together and then wash your hair, okay? So you will just pretend like you have a bottle of shampoo or whatever you're using, squeezing it into your hand. Maybe you lather it together and then scrub your head. So you're basically going to be modeling that step and how to do it for that step of the social story. And the same goes for conditioner. You can also do the squeeze in your hand, rub it together, and then maybe show them like, oh, only on the ends like this, or different things like that, depending on what y'all use at home for washing and conditioning your hair. In this step, you could also bring in the like brushing your hair if you want to use it at that time as well. Now, for each of the shampoos and conditioners, you also want to rinse your hair, make sure that it's clean. So you can do like water, clean, hair, and then maybe just show like all of it, okay? And that's just showing that you are rinsing all your hair, getting the water to clean it. You could also just do like clean hair, water, okay? Or water now, okay? Water now. Make 2 Y's and pull down. It's all about what works for you. So I hope you found this social story to be helpful in learning some of the signs that you can use for washing hair. Thank you for watching our video on social stories. We hope that you found this information to be helpful. Remember, with the support of social stories, every child can learn, grow, and thrive. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe Academy to learn more American Sign Language with our courses and also gain access to the supplementary picture cards to use for your visual schedule or communication support.